Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to lock gallery on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. Now just tap on 6-digit PIN and select the password type which you like. You have the option of 4-digit PIN, a 6-digit PIN, or a pattern. I will select the 4-digit PIN. Now just create your PIN. Then tap on create. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now just tap on save and tap on understood. Then tap on permit. Now from here just enable this toggle. After that just tap on permit and select allow. Now just tap on permit one more time and enable this toggle. Now just tap on OK. Now as you can see, these are all the apps on your smartphone. And if you tap on logged, you will find all the apps which are logged on your smartphone. Now to lock the gallery app, just make sure that the gallery app is under the locked section. If you cannot find the gallery app under the locked section, just tap on unlock and tap on the lock icon in front of the app name. Now once you do that, now if you go to your home screen and open the gallery app, as you can see, we have successfully locked the gallery app on our smartphone. And this is how you can lock the gallery app on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.